Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working in Windows 11 after an update. First, we will disable fast startup, which is the most common cause of this issue. Click on the search icon and type Control Panel, then open it. Inside Control Panel, click on Power Options. On the left side, click on Choose what the power buttons do. Now click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. This will unlock the options below. Find Turn on Fast Startup and remove the checkmark next to it. After that, click Save Changes. This step helps fix problems where the system does not enter sleep properly. Next, we will disable wake timers. Go back to Power Options and click on Change Plan Settings next to your active power plan. Then, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and expand the Sleep section. Under Sleep, find Allow Wake Timers and expand it. Set both options to disable. Click Apply, then click OK. These settings stop your computer from waking itself up or blocking sleep mode. After completing these steps, restart your computer and test sleep mode again. Thanks for watching.